Okay, so today we're going to be going over dividing complex numbers. So two things that we have to know about this. Number one is I is equal to square root of -1. And also we went over this before that, you can never have a radical in your denominator. So we're going to get rid of that radical by multiplying the top and bottom by our denominator. So we're going to multiply the top by 1 plus 4i and the bottom by 1 plus 4i. By doing that, we're going to get rid of our I. So we're going to distribute. We're going to take the 7 and multiply it times 1, and the 7 and multiply it times 4i. So we're going to have 7 plus 28i. Then we go to the second term and we distribute that to these two terms here. 5i times 1 is plus 5i. 5i times positive 4i is plus 20i. So now we distributed the top. Now we're going to do the same thing with the bottom. Right now I'm going to put a box around this in a different color. That way we know this is our original. Bottom, do the same thing. 1 times 1, and then 1 times 4i. So on the bottom we're going to have 1 plus 4i. Then we're going to multiply minus 4i times 1 minus 4i times positive 4i. That's going to give me minus 4i and minus 16i squared. So that is the second step for this. And I'll put a box around this so we know that that is our second step. Now we're going to combine any like terms and also take care of this I here, which should be I squared. Because 5i times 4i is 20i squared. So now, I is going to be -1. So I'm going to take my 7, and I'm going to have 28 plus 5i, which is plus 33i, and then plus 20 times -1. Next step down here, we've got 1 plus 4i minus 5i, they cancel, minus 16, and that's times -1 for my I squared. So that is our third step. Fourth step now. Now we can go 7 plus -21. So 7 plus -21 plus our 33i. All over 1 plus -16 times -1, that's positive 16. So that's 1 plus 16. So that is our next step. Now we can then combine even more. So 7 plus -21 is going to give me -14 plus 33i. And 1 plus 16 is going to give me 17. Now we're going to write this in standard form. So we're going to separate our constant and our I. So we're going to have minus 14 over 17 plus 33 over 17i. And this here is our final answer.